In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Amazon Prime membership. I'm on amazon.co.uk. This also works for amazon.com. So what we need to do is go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, click on Hello, Your Name in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, it will take you to your account. Here we can go to Prime. Here, once you click on Prime, you'll have some details about your account, including your monthly plan, the renewal date, and the membership. What we're going to do, we're going to click on Update, Cancel, and More under the membership section. And then what you can do here is you can go ahead and end the membership by clicking on End Membership. Now, you're not done here because Amazon are going to try and keep you as a customer. So you then want to scroll to the bottom, click Continue to Cancel. And it's then going to ask you, do you want to cancel on renewal or pause? Make sure you click cancel, then click end on and the date that it will end on. Once you've done that, it will then cancel your plan. Now you will still have your plan up until the date that it should end. After that, you will no longer have the Prime benefits. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.